beautiful, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a tutorial on this half braids, half crochet goddess braids hairstyle. I'm starting off with my hair already parted in half, and I went ahead and did some braids going straight to the back, and I connected them, and this is going to be my crochet foundation. I'm using 3 different types of hair today. The first pair I'm using today is Tress Goddess Box Braids. Next, I'm using Lulu Tress Deep Wave. And lastly, for my feed-in braids, I'm using Spetra braids. So I went ahead and crocheted my hair in the back, and I'm making sure I'm using 2 finger width apart between each braid. And I'm using a total of 4 packs of the Goddess Box Braids. Once I completed the second pack, I began to add in Lulu Tress Deep Wave hair, and I made sure to line it up with this hair. I think I said it was 10 inches long, but it's actually 12 inches. So I made sure to measure out the length of the Goddess Box Braids. I completed the row with the deep wave hair, and then I began to alternate between the Goddess Box Braids and the wavy hair. Now that I have all the crochet complete, I'm ready to do the feed-in braids at the top. I have all my sections complete, and do y'all see that I had a fight with my flat iron, and guess who won? And I'm going in with this 24-hour edge tamer by Ebin, New York, and I'm smoothing it all around my parts. Then I'm following up with Shine and Jam, making sure I've smoothed it out really good. So when I do my feed-in braids, I like to measure out a tiny piece because I tend to drag my braids, and this kind of prevents that from happening. And I braid down about 4 to 5 times. Then I add my first piece of hair, and I'm going to be using 4 pieces of the Spectrum hair. And I'm adding the hair when I stop at my pointer finger. Then I braid in 1/2 of the hair. Then I swing in the second half of the hair. Then I go right into adding my next piece of braiding hair. And to give these braids a more goddess look, I'm adding in the deep wave hair as well. And I'm using a total of 2 pieces to get that curly end. And I'm separating some pieces of the deep wave hair. This is just going to help mimic those Crochet Goddess braids. Now that I have all my braids complete, I'm going to trim the ends. And it took me an hour and a half to complete this entire style. I'm taming the frizz with some Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine. Then smoothing my baby hairs. I'm adding some mousse to set the style. Following up with some Spritz by Fantasia. I allowed that to set under my scarf while I get dressed for the day. And this is the complete look, guys. I am in love with this style. This is a great summer protective style and it's perfect for any beach vacation, honey. I can see myself, I can see you, girl, right now coming up out that water on the beach with this style. Make sure you guys like this video and also comment down below. I love to chat with you guys and thank you guys so much for 15K. Thank you so much for all the support. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.